All right, welcome back to another video. Doing some late afternoon fishing as it transitions into sunset, as it transitions into complete darkness for some dock light fishing. We've been fishing on the side banks, some topwater action, and then some fly fishing. I'm fishing this evening by myself on my 16-foot skiff and throwing my baitcaster with some topwater poppers. Still having a little trouble, as you'll see in the next clip, learning the baitcaster skill. Not getting the feel quite yet for my drag, and you'll see what happens with too loose of a drag right here. Okay, so what did just happen there was my drag was way too loose. I had no leverage to get a good hook set in that striped bass, and had him on for a few seconds, but never really got a proper hook set. That fish came off. That's been happening quite a bit with this baitcaster, but it's part of the learning process. Right here, I've hooked up with a small bluefish. The braid got wrapped around the tip. I had to straighten that out, and you'll see quite an acrobatic bluefish. Similar, got a lot of jumps. Kind of reminded me of the tarpon in Florida. All right. Okay, I know that the light level is not that great in this video, so it's a little bit difficult to see, but I'm hooked up here with another small bluefish. I've tightened the drag at this point and got a better hook set in this fish. This fish does come off right at the boat, which was fine. Don't need to bring it in the boat and have them flop all around. Okay, once the sun set completely, found a dock with a nice light on it and was very active with small bluefish. Didn't see any stripers here, but the bass seemed to be quite active and aggressive on fly tonight. Better one. There we go. Easy release. Okay, one more here. Now I'm gonna move on. Pulled it right out of his mouth. Okay, it was a decent night. No striped bass tonight, only bluefish on this particular night. Hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.